Hi guys, in today's video we have a Mazda 3. This is a 2015 model and its key fob battery is dead. So I'll quickly show you how you can get into the car and switch it on. This one has a keyless start stop. So this video will work for all the Mazdas that have this key fob or something similar. So to remove the key, we have this tab over here. You just need to pull it, and when this is being pressed, this key will slide out. So the key is out. Now you just need to put it into the door and turn it to the left side, that's anti-clockwise, and the car unlocks. Now to start the car, we press and hold on the brakes. You can see that since the key battery is dead, the car is not detecting the key. So since the green light is flashing, we'll hold it over here, and then you can see that the green light stopped flashing, and now I'll just press it while the key is nearby, and it basically detected the key and the car started. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.